love gyros and always want to learn how to make them for yourself, then you're in luck. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make this Greek classic at home. So stay tuned. Whether you pronounce it gyro or gyro, there's no mistaking that they are delicious and surprisingly easy to make. It just involves using a great blend of meats and making an amazing tzatziki sauce. And I'm going to show you how. So here's what you'll need. Okay, so our lamb mince is in the oven and our tzatziki sauce is made. Now all we have to do is slice and assemble. Now when it comes to assembly, there's no wrong way to do it. But I like to add an extra step to up my flavor game. So let's get to it. And there you have it, how to make gyros fast, easy, and delicious right at home. Well, that's all I have time for this week, but to be kept up to date with future episodes, simply click on the bell icon down below. You'll be sent a notification each time a new show comes out, so you don't miss a thing. So if you enjoyed this week's episode, please feel free to give that like button some love and subscribe. And if you found the video useful, please feel free to share it, as it does help this channel grow immensely. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I'd love to read them. Recipes, as always, are down in the description box. My name is Chef Matt with Kitchen Instruments, thanking you for stopping by, and I'll see you guys next time. And there you have it, how to make gyros at home, fast, easy, and delicious. And there you have it, how to make gyros